Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve a very challenging intro. This intro actually the AB calculus problem, but you won't see this problem on the exam because it's really challenging and it's not easy at all. Okay, before we're going to solve this problem, let's take a look at the following information. The odd and even function, which is you learn from Algebra 2, right? Algebra 2. So if f of negative s equal f of s, and then the function f of s is even, okay? And then integral from negative a to a of f of s ds equal 2 times integral from 0 to a f of s ds, okay? The second one, if f of negative f of s equal negative f of s, then f of s should be the odd function, okay? And then the integral from negative a to a f of s ds should be equal to 0, okay? 0. All right, so let's start from here. So basically, I just distribute this guy. Okay, I distribute this guy. So it turned out to be what? So integral from negative 2 to 2, right? Uh, S power 3 cosine S over 2, all right? Times what? Root 4 minus S squared ds, right? And then plus 1/2 integral from negative 2 to 2. All right, root 4 minus s squared ds. Okay, so I call this a. Okay, and I call this b. Okay, so I write a plus b over here. Okay, now I need to solve for a. So before I solve for a, I need to check to see if this is the even or odd function because I see that the upper bound and the lower bound right here, they're opposite. Okay, they're opposite. So I always check this one. Keep that in mind. Whenever you see the upper bound and lower bound, if they are opposite, check to see if it's even or odd function because it's helps save your time, right? Okay. If you don't do that, it takes you forever to solve this problem. Okay, so let's see. So I let this guy is gonna be f of s. Okay, so I'm gonna check to see if it's odd or even function. Okay, so f of s right here. Now I'm gonna check it. F of negative s. Okay, and then substitute over here. Okay, so I have negative s altogether q. Okay, cosine of negative s over 2. Okay, multiplied by 4 minus parenthesis negative s squared, right? Okay, equal. Now negative s cubed, right? It turned out to be negative s cubed right here. All right, because cosine is the even function. Okay, cosine is an even function, right? So cosine of negative s should be cosine of s, right? So this is cosine of s over 2. Now, this is negative s squared, it should be s squared. Okay, so it should be root 4 minus s squared. Now, if you look at this one, this guy actually f of s right here. Now you have the negative side in front of it, so it should be negative f of s, right? Negative f of s. Now we just prove that negative f of negative s equal negative f of s. So this is actually the odd function, right? Right here. This is odd function right here. So because this is odd function, and then the integral from negative 2 to 2 of f of s ds should be equal to 0. Okay, so this guy equals 0. This guy right here, the whole thing right here equal 0. Okay, equals 0. Okay, so I don't have to worry about this guy anymore. Now what I need to do is to calculate this one, and I'm done. Okay, so this is b. Okay, so I just write over here 1/2 negative 2 to 2 root 4 minus s squared ds. And you look at this one. Okay, so I let this guy f of s, right? Now I'm gonna check it because I see that the lower bound and the upper bound right here, they are opposite. Now I need to check to see if it's even or odd function. Okay, But if it's odd function and then I'm done, it's equal 0. But if it's even function, I keep doing, okay? So I have f of negative s equal, okay, root 4 minus parenthesis negative s square, okay? And this is negative s square, it's going to be s square, right? So it's going to be root 4 minus s square, right? And then this guy equal, actually this is f of s, alright? So f of negative s equal f of s, and this is actually the even function, right? So this is even. So f of s is an even, right? Even right here, I write even right here. So because it's even function, I use the formula right here. Okay. So this guy should be 1/2, right? Integral from 0 to 2 root 4 minus s square, right? ds. But this is 2 times, right? So I put 2 right here. Okay. So 2 and 2 cancel out. So the answer should be what? Integral from 0 to 2 root 4 minus s square. And this is very easy integral, right? It's very easy integral, right? So you have 4 minus s square. Now, I use substitution. Okay, I use substitution. So I let, right? I let s equal to sine t. Okay. All right. I let s equal to sine t. Okay. All right. So s equal 0. Okay. Now I need to change the bounds, right? Upper bound and lower bound, right? So s equals 0, and then I have what? 2 sine t equal 0. Okay. Does that mean sine t equal 0? Okay. Does that mean t equal sine t equal 0? T equal 0. Okay. Now s equal 2, and then 2 sine t equal 2. All right. And then sine t equal 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. All right. Sine t equal 1, t equal pi over 2, right? Pi over 2, right? All right, so next one. So the integral, this guy become what? The integral from 0 to 2, which is 0 to pi over 2, right? 0 to pi over 2. All right, root 4 minus s square, but s equal 2 sine t, so it's going to be what? 4 sine square t, right? Oh, I forgot to take the intro, the derivative of this one, okay? So ds, right, equal to cosine t dt, right? Okay, so I substitute ds right here. It's going to be 2 cosine t dt, right? Okay, next one equal the integral from 0 to pi over 2. Okay, now 4, I just factor 4 out, right? I print it outside. Okay, I print 4 outside, it could be 2. And then I combine with 2 right here. Okay, right? 4 printed outside, print 4 outside, it could be 2, 2 times 2, it could be 4, right? So I put 4 right here. Now 1 minus, when I factor 4 out, it should be 1 minus sine square t, right? 1 minus sine square should be cosine t, right? Cosine t. So because, right? Sorry, cosine square t, right? Cosine square t. So because cosine, now if you, okay, so let me try this one. So it should be cosine square t, cosine square t, all right, times cosine t dt, right? Okay. Now we need to take a look at the unit circle right here. Okay. So this is cosine function, right? And this is sine function, right? All right. So cosine axis right here, right? So because the lower bound 0 and upper bound pi over 2, right? So it's gonna be from here to here, right? 0 to pi over 2 right here. Okay. So cosine should be positive number. Okay. Cosine positive number. So when you take square root of this one, it should be absolute value of cosine, right? absolute value of cosine should be cosine because it's from 0 to pi over 2 cosine positive, right? So I don't have enough space. Let me erase the top, okay? Let me erase the top. Oh, let me leave that one. I erase this guy right here. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, this one. All right. Let's finish this problem. So basically, I have what? Um, 4 uh, root, sorry, integral from 0 to pi over 2, and then root cosine square t is going to be cosine. Cosine times cosine is going to be cosine square. Again, cosine square t dt, right? So cosine square t equal 1 plus cosine 2t over 2, right? All right, so it's going to be integral from 0 to pi over 2, and then you add 4 right here, okay? And then t dt, okay? Now 4 and 2 right here cancel out, so I have 2 left, right? So I have 2 left right here, right? Now this one, we need to check the integral of this one, right? All right, check antiderivative of 1 should be t, right? Should be t. So antiderivative derivative of cosine 2t is going to be plus 1 half sine 2t, okay? And then evaluate it from 0 to pi over 2. All right, now so substitute pi over 2 in to this expression right here. So you have what? 2 times pi over 2 plus 1 half sine pi over 2. All right, 2 times pi over 2, which means pi, right? Okay, now the lower bound 0, you substitute over here. This is 0. Sine 2 times 0 should be 0. Sine 0 equals 0. So 0 plus 0 equals 0 times 2 equals 0. So you don't have to worry about the lower bound. Alright, so the answer should be, oh, I have parentheses right here. Alright, so basically sine pi right here should be 0. Okay, so this guy gone. This guy gone. Now 2 and 2 cancel out. I have only pi left right here. Okay, so pi 6 pi 4, and that is the password of the Wi-Fi. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video and see you next video.